Hello and welcome to this tutorial video which will take you through the management of sub-implementing partners through the sub-partner module. To access the sub-partner page, follow this navigation. The sub-implementing partner page allows you to search for any sub-partner registered in the system. To do so, use the filters and click on Search Sub-IP. The search results appear below. You can use these icons to respectively view the sub-partner details in read-only mode, edit, send back for correction or review the sub-partner's details or delete it. Please note that you will not be able to delete a sub-partner once it is linked to a project. To edit or review a sub-partner, click here. You will be able to review or edit the organization and its details, and the contact details. You can use these icons to respectively delete, view or edit the contact details. Or click here to add a new contact. In the Upload Document section you will be able to see all documents uploaded by the partner. You can click here to download a specific document or on Download All to download all documents uploaded. If you want to upload a new document, click here. As you are viewing the sub-partner at country level and not at partner level, this page provides you with two additional pieces of information. First, the approved projects linked to the sub-partner. And second, the direct organizations linked to the sub-partner. You can click on this icon to unlink a direct organization. If you wish to link a new direct organization to this sub-partner, click here. On the pop-up window, select from the drop-down list the direct organization you wish to link to the sub-partner and click on Link. Once you have made all the necessary changes, do not forget to save the sub-partner. You can send it back to the partner for correction by clicking here. If the sub-partner is under approval, you can take the necessary actions from this page by clicking on either Approve Sub-Partner or Reject. From the sub-partner page, you will also be able to link a sub-partner to a direct organization. To do so, click here. On the pop-up window, use the filters to search for a sub-partner and click on Search. Tick the box of the sub-partner you would like to link, select the country where the direct organization is registered in and select the direct organization. Please note that countries displayed are those you have access to. And finally click on Select and Close. This is the end of our tutorial on how to manage sub-implementing partners. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have any question or comment.